सिंटा में आने के बाद एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ की हम लोगों ने कि एसोसिएशन तो है बट लोग जुड़े नहीं हुए जी। बिकॉज एक्टर की लाइफ में जो है स्ट्रगल बहुत लोनली है जी। होल प्रोसेस, सक्सेस भी लोनली है, स्ट्रगल भी लोनली है,
डिप्रेशन भी अक्सर हो,
फेलियर भी लोनली है। सो और हमारे बहुत सारे केसेस भी पिछले साल में ऐसे हुए, हमारे कुछ मेंबर्स ने सुसाइड भी किया आउट ऑफ डिप्रेशन एवरीथिंग। सो हाउ कम, और एक एक्टर का पेन एक्टर ही समझ सकता है जो हमारा स्ट्रगल है। सो कम से कम आपस में अगर जुड़े रहें वी कैन एटलीस्ट शेयर आवर प्रॉब्लम्स, शायद कुछ सहारा मिले। सो वी थॉट ऑफ कनेक्टिंग एवरीवन विद एवरीवन। सो एक जोनल
बहुत जबरदस्त है, बट इसका स्ट्रक्चर अब कैसे बनाओगे?
नाउ वी हैव जोनल हेड्स। हमारे कुछ 6,500 मेंबर्स हैं। सो वी हैव 6 जोनल हेड्स। लेकिन एक जोनल हेड के अंदर कुछ 1,000-1,100 मेंबर हैं। यू स्टिल कैन नॉट रीच 1100।
करेक्ट।
So again divided into 10 group heads. Every group head is responsible for 110 members. You still cannot reach out to 110. So every group head has 10 unit heads who are reaching out to 10 members. So that way we'll be connecting. आपको पता नहीं होगा कि आपके घर के आसपास 10 सेंटा मेंबर्स रहते हैं।
क्या बात है।
जो वक्त जरूरत पे आपके काम आ सकते हैं, कुछ नहीं तो बात कर सकते हैं एटलीस्ट। So this is the new structure we are bringing.
ये है कि हम उनके घर में जाएं।
क्या बात है।
हम उनको आप मतलब किसी कॉफी हाउस में या मॉल में बुलाने का आइडिया नहीं, उनके घर में वो किस हालत में रह रहे हैं ताकि हर आर्टिस्ट के घर जा सके। हो सकता है शायद आपके यहाँ कोई आए।
So end of the day एक के साथ 10 हमेशा खड़े रहें। That is the idea. And अभी तक बहुत अच्छे encouraging results हैं।
इसका आप सिलेक्शन कैसे करोगे? वॉलंटियर बेसिस पे होगा?
सब वॉलंटियर्स हैं।
What had happened विवेक, जब हमने ये एक जर्न शुरू हुआ था हमारी AGM में 1 मई को, उसके बाद हमने मिड ऑफ जून में एक ऐसे ही जो लोग एंथुजियास्टिक थे उनकी एक मीटिंग की जहाँ 34 लोग थे। हमें इस बात का एहसास नहीं था कि ये उस मीटिंग का इतना अच्छा इफेक्ट होगा दैट 15 अगस्त विल बी एक्चुअली बाय द टाइम वी गॉट द स्ट्रक्चर वी हैड आवर जोनल हेड्स वर प्राइमरीली मोस्ट ऑफ द कमिटी मेंबर्स, बट व्हेन वी मेट ऑन द 15 वी थॉट के 100 लोग कुछ इकट्ठे हो जाएंगे, बट व्हेन वी मेट देम देयर वर अबाउट 250 ऑड पीपल. The zonal heads with their group heads, with their unit heads all in place, forms signed, their own WhatsApp groups, and everybody, it was such a happy feeling. हमको लगा कि समस्याएं लेके लोग आएंगे, but people, all our members have welcomed us from the lowest common denominator to the highest common denominator, welcomed us, and I think it's a great way of, we're making our members sign something called the artist current status form. कि भाई, are you okay? Are you all right? And I stay in your area. I am the zonal head. I am connected to 10 group heads. And a zonal is successful only when you as a zonal head get your form signed by the unit. So you automatically become part of one unit. So it becomes a complete circle. So it's like we are one. तो ये आइडिया ये था कि 1 साल के बाद 1.5 साल के बाद जब तक ये जद्दोजहद चलेगी, there should come a time where in case a Sinta member has any issue in the middle of the night or somewhere, उसको पता है कि 10 लोग तो कहीं ना कहीं से आ जाएंगे मेरे मतलब for whatever reason.
क्या बात है, this is fantastic. This creates like a safety network and an emotional
bond basically.
Strength एक आदमी को मिल जाती है कि यार मैं अकेला नहीं।
Absolutely, that's great.
And all of us face loneliness on different levels at whatever peak of a career.
No, I'm really impressed and I love the 1% of profits idea. जो भी हो आदमी को मतलब 1% हो कि किसी का मन है कि 10% हो, everybody is in a situation जो कमा रहे हैं and can actually put into this fund. I think इसमें 2 चीज़ें हो सकती हैं because I do run a fund, I do run an organization for now 14 years. So I understand how we generate revenue. Like I was telling you earlier, 3,000 kids we give education to. So in terms of, and completely free, 100% free. So I understand how difficult that is also. But you have to create some sort of a corpus, which is something that right now I'm in the process of creating for Cancer Patients Aid Association also. Because they do great work. We have to raise 8 to 10 crores every year for them. So just in terms of being able to help people. But if you create a large corpus, then you can really, really take care in terms of a self-generating fund. 2 things that we should work on. One thing we should work on in terms of if Sinta can be that platform which can unite people and show this to every other craft.
Yes.
Then you have a united industry. The minute you have a united industry, you're talking about 40-50,000 people who can go out there and ask for something, and everybody will have to listen. Because not only does that mean 40-50,000 votes, that means 40-50,000 consumers. That means everything. I'll give you a small example today. If I go to buy one TV, and it costs me 5,000. if I say, what if I'm buying 50,000, and if I say, okay, not 50,000, 6,500 Cinta members. Is there anybody who wants to buy a TV? Because if you're a Cinta member, show your card and you will avail 40% discount, 30% discount. Because people also want to achieve reaching through your network.
Correct.
So if Cinta consolidates well, you can monthly basis create some sort of a benefit which you can't imagine will go such a long way for everybody. And every major today, when I work from the non-profit side, when I turn around and say, okay, this is the strength. We have 2,500 members in terms of a social welfare self-help group. Immediately people say, okay, 2,500 members, then we can give them this at this price. So it drops dramatically. So even things like that. The second thing which I said, education for your kids. No matter how good you are, wherever life is with you, or how bad it's going, your children's education, if we can either support or subsidize, if you can apply for it and say, hey, help us out. A, getting admission, which is a big problem, nightmare for people.
Yeah.
And if you have tie-ups with certain schools, and B, subsidizing that education. So I think if we can do these things, it will be great. I also feel that we have so many award shows, but in all our award shows, most of our actors are only not invited.
Correct. Correct.
Some of us are invited and paid to come, and some of us are not invited at all, like they don't exist.
Even if we are willing to come by train.
Yes.
Forget business.
Not a single award show
trains
that would have invited 6,500 Cinta members. We come, this is your show, this is... I think Cinta should do their own show.
We are planning, in fact.
We should.
Yes.
And our show is going to be about our members.
Yes.
क्योंकि हमारे बहुत सारे सीनियर मेंबर्स हैं जिनका
Unrecognized.
बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन है जिनका
बिल्कुल.
उन्हें किसी ने रिकग्निशन नहीं दिया. We want to recognize those as their union.
And apolitical.
Absolutely.
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 I would also like you to urge people to come and join our association when they are actors, so that we become a huge strength also.
You know, people will only join if, see, earlier, unfortunately, like I was telling Sushant, that I don't know when I would have joined Cinta. I would have joined it when I just started, when I started the company. But since then, till now, besides a formality, I've never associated in 14 years of my career with Cinta.
We all were like that.
All of us.
And this is so refreshing to see, because I didn't even know ये क्या body है, क्या कर रहे हैं, कुछ काम कर रहे हैं कि भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. But now when I see the kind of people who are looking so committed and excited and are doing things, physically आपने कर दिखाया ना, you've started the work already, इतने checkup वगैरह आप सब करा रहे हो. This is going to percolate to every actor and say, यार, if I become a Cinta member, I will get so many benefits. लोग line लगाने चाहिए, मेरे को यार Cinta की membership चाहिए. I want to be a member here.
That's
Things
the
like
stage
that.
we want to reach.
And we should create, I really feel, I mean, aside from tying up with different portals, Cinta should create a portal where you can have a format कि मैं अपने ये photographs, मेरी bio, मैं हिंदी, English, तमिल, तेलुगु, मराठी जो भी है, जिस भाषा में मैं Cinta में डालना चाहता हूँ, I can put it in here, and today people who want to cast can just go onto a Cinta website and cast, and every time they use it, just like how people use a verification platform, 50 रुपए का fee दे दो. Nobody cares. कोई भी production है उसको कोई problem नहीं है. 50 रुपए का fee दे दो. That fee can be collected again to help for the welfare of Cinta and our artists. Small things like that.
Fantastic. Fantastic. I think it's quite awesome.
हमारा reach out है जो बताया